Hello, and welcome to a Google Instructional Skills video. Today we will be taking a look at how to create a new Google Classroom. So let's get to it. I have Google Classroom open, but you can access it from Google's webpage by clicking on the 9 dots in the top right corner and scrolling down to Classroom, or by typing in classroom.google.com in the URL. So today we're going to be looking at creating a new class in Google Classroom, and it's very simple. We're going to look on the top right corner for the plus sign. We're going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to have two options as a teacher: to join a class or create a class. We're going to click on create a class. When we do, a dialog box will come up. The only thing that's required is to give the class a name. So in this example, Mr. Abraham's math class. You can also give it a section, a subject, or a room. So if you teach multiple sections of the same class, you can do that here. But the only required field is the class name. Next, click on Create, and it's done. Nice and easy. The only thing to note is if you click on that plus sign in the top right corner, as a teacher, and you don't see the option to create a class, then at some point Google Classroom thinks you're a student and you need to speak to your administrator to correct this. Thank you and have a lovely day.